Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in accounting. And our topics today, two topics, and or functions in Excel. And a third topic, both combined. So and or function. When you need to find data that meets more than one condition, such as today we will eat pizza or hamburger, or today we will eat salad and steak, or such as attributes for having a new employee. You can use and or functions or both combined. Let's check. So here, let's consider 100 candidates applied to some positions. And here, we are offering 3 accounting positions because I am accounting professor. A full-time job, part-time job, and internship. And then, what is our criteria? For a full-time job, they must get an A in a particular course, for instance, financial accounting, and previous experience. So, how do we do? If we go only through the and or formula, the result will be a true or false. For instance, how do we do that? And, parentheses. What is the first logical test? Grade A. So grade must be an A. Comma, the second one. Previous experience must be a yes. So false. Let's find one who meets the criteria. Leonor, it will be true. But with this true or false, it's very hard to do anything. So what I like the most, we can summarize or we can combine it with an if formula. So if it meets the criteria, so she's eligible for the position, otherwise not eligible. Or if we don't want a lot of, so not eligible. So she is not eligible for this position. And we can copy and paste. Eleanor will be eligible. Okay, but let's delete it for now. Okay, guys, much better than a true or false. Okay, so let's the second one, a part-time job. Grades A or B and previous experience. So first of all, let's do only the or formula. So equal or, the same as and. First criteria, grade equal to A minus or B plus. If we go only to B plus here, let's see what it will happen. Okay, it is false. Let's find one A plus. Asher. True. Let's find a B plus. Alexander. False. Why false? Because there is a mistake. B2 is A minus. Right. It gets the Asher. But what is B plus? Excel is not that smart. We need to type the full criteria again. So the criteria is grade must be equal to B plus. Whoops, missing a double quote because we are going on text. And now when we go to Alexander, it will go through a true. And here, it doesn't need to be equal. It can be lower than, higher than, or any other Excel formula. But here we want to combine and. So this offer must be for this condition and previous experience. So first we start with the and condition. Much more about logic. So, and it must be this or formula or the second logical. The previous experience must be a yes. So it is a false. Let's find Alexander will be a yes. He gets the yes again. But again, let's go with the eligible or not eligible. So if it happens, then eligible, otherwise not eligible. Not eligible, but Alexander is eligible. Okay? And for internship, a large or here and no previous experience. So for Abigail, probably it will be a eligible. So let's try now to type the if formula and the and the or functions in the same cell. So if, remember, we start with the and. So and, the first criteria is an or. Look how pretty it is. If and or together. So or grade is an A, or grade is an A minus, or grade is a B plus. So this is the first criteria. And previous experience equals to, previous experience equals to no. Okay, this is our and formula. Then what happened? If this is true, she will be eligible. Otherwise, not eligible. So she's eligible now. Okay, man, that is so weird. Eligible. So sorry, not eligible. Oh, now it's much better. Eligible, not eligible. Okay, much better, huh? Great. And what is her status? So the status will be either eligible for full-time job or part-time job or internship. So first of all, let's copy and paste. Perfect. And now the status. Let's do it here because I don't want to mess with the columns. So, okay, here we have an if formula inside an if formula inside an if formula. Because, okay, the status either will be for a full-time job, part-time job, internship, or rejected. So, if this one is equal to eligible, then it will be full-time job. And let's fix it. The second one, if this is, the second one is the eligible, then it will be a part-time job, eligible, then it will be a part-time job. And if the third one, the F9, is equal to eligible, then it will be internship, otherwise rejected. 1, 2, 3 parentheses for 3 if formulas. So internship, let's copy and paste here. Internship, part-time job, rejected. And let's copy and paste. Okay. Perfect. Okay, we have our 100 candidates. Now, let's count how many candidates we can interview for the full-time job, part-time job, internship, and how much will be rejected. And the total must be 100. So, okay, now we use the count if formula. By the way, we have a video about the count if formula in our channel. Just look on the Excel playlist and it will be there. So the range is here. So this is the range. And F4, we fix it. And what is the criteria? Is this one, full-time job. 5 candidates for a full-time job. Let's copy and paste. 5 for part-time, 19 internship, and 71 rejected. So let's change one here. For instance, Carter. Instead of a C minus, we got the wrong grade. It is A minus. So probably he will be N. So for internship, and change it. But it's not a mistake. He has a previous experience. Now he's eligible for part-time job. See, that is not the easiest function in Excel. Even I sometimes struggle with this function. And again, I'm so sorry about the word, spelling mistake. But that happens. We are doing just like it's a live class here. Okay, guys, so what this video, how many times you want. That is not an easy Excel formula. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Questions or comments, just leave here or email me at jscarping@gmail.com. Have a very nice day and God bless you.